Hi guys, Marian here. Welcome to my home and Shabbat Shalom. In today's vlog, I am getting ready for Shabbat, and this is a very special Shabbat because I'm actually doing it. I am making challah this week. I have everything out. And ready to go over there, as well as a very messy kitchen that I need to clean up and get started on. So let's do this. Let's get ready for Shabbat. Cook with me, clean with me. Let's go. If you're new here, by the way, welcome. My name is Marian, and I make videos about being a mom and being a Jewish mom. And I'm so excited to have you here. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button down below. So I said this was a very special Shabbat because I am making challah, and that is true. But it's also a very different Shabbat than my usual Shabbats because things are crazy here because my dining table is in use right now. We are leaving for LA in a few days. We're going to go visit my family and go to Disneyland, and we haven't been in forever, 2.5 years. So I'm super excited to go. So we're leaving in a few days, and it's my son Corey's birthday party before we go. He's going to be 3 years old. So there's so much to do. So I'm not hosting my usual Shabbat in the dining room for the first week this year. We're going to do it in the kitchen, which is a huge mess. Zachary's over there in his swing. So first I gotta clean this kitchen. By the way, look at this tzedakah mess. I send my kids with tzedakah on Fridays, but they only want certain coins, not other coins. They don't want the bills. It's a thing. So that was this morning. I'm still tidying up from the breakfast and everything, but I thought I'd show you guys my packing situation really quickly, just in case anyone likes packing and organization kind of thing, because that's my favorite. Actually, let me get Zachary and then I'll show you. These are little pot luggage. These are only the 26-inch ones, so I'm very proud. And each person in the family gets about 1 packing cube. Corey, Max, this is all our Disneyland clothes. I actually just put it in 1 cube. I thought it'd make that easier. Baby's clothes, I need to add some to that. And then in here is my husband's clothes and my clothes, so we each got a cube. We each got 2 cubes. But yeah, so I'm very impressed with myself there. And then this is all the carry-on stuff. I'm just kind of sorting through. This is like the main bag that I'm gonna keep with me. Another cute Disney luggage tag. I got the boys these water bottles for Disney. Their water bottles are kind of heavy, so I didn't want to use those. So we got those ones, and then inside, okay, what this is, snacks, tons of snacks, and these are all like fidget toys. These magnetic toys are really cool, and then of course they're tablets. And then in here I just have like one of these coloring packs and all that, and then of course I have like masks and hand sanitizer and everything like that up at the front. If anyone is interested, oh actually I put the extra masks here. If anyone's interested in the N94s, I think they are, that we're wearing, I will link them. And then we also got some happy masks. These are supposed to be like 99% filtering. Who knows? And then this is the other carry-on bag we're taking. This, by the way, look how cute this is. This is my toiletry bag from Kenzie's Customs. That's the same company that I customized this up. I just think it's so cute. And then I'm just sorting through like Zachary's milk. I'm gonna like bring this hand pump and all that kind of confusingness. Airplane outfits, diapers, headphones. It's all getting going. That is the situation there. I'm trying to be as organized as possible because it's our first time flying with 3 kids, including a little newborn. I guess, is he a newborn anymore? He's 3 months. What do you guys think? Anyway, so that's what's going on in the background. Plus Corey's birthday party, I'm also organizing and got like cupcakes and water bottles and pizza, you know how it is. And then, but I did say this week, I'm making challah because we're not going to have our beautiful dining room Shabbat. At least we're going to have homemade delicious challah. Also, don't mind Zachary's Hanukkah pajamas. Okay, enough stalling. It's time to get organized. So my challah recipe is super simple, and I will link it below. I have, I think, multiple videos where I show how to make it, but it's basically just eggs, oil, salt, sugar, flour and yeast. Most challah recipes actually have really simple ingredients. It's just about the technique of which ingredients are mixed together, what temperatures they're at, the quantities. You know how baking is, it's a science. But what I've seen or what I've noticed is that most Jewish women who bake challah have their specific recipe, and when you compare them, the recipes are all pretty similar, but everyone's challah turns out so differently because it's all in the super details that are even hard to kind of express in a recipe. And my challah actually tastes different different times because it depends like what temperature the air is outside, where it's rising, how long I let it rise, and all those factors just seem to be different every time. Okay, so the challah dough is done. I almost said the challah is done, but we're not quite there yet. Still have to braid it and make it. And this little one is all done in his swing. He would like to be held, which is fine. So I just popped him in the carrier, which I think I mentioned in my last video. I normally don't do because my back, because I have such a bad back, but sometimes it's just necessary. I do it a lot when we're out and about, like if I'm with my older kids at ice skating or gymnastics or whatever they're doing. I'll often pop him in here, but I don't like to do it at home just because it just hurts my back to be wearing him all the time. But sometimes that's what he wants. So now he's in the carrier and I'm just gonna clean up, get this house ready for Shabbat. It's my least favorite time of the day. That is cleaning the kitchen. I just picture a day where I'm streamlined and organized, and every time I take something out, it goes right back, and my kitchen is always just pristine and clean. But I know I will probably never reach that day, but I try to at least make it so it doesn't get too crazy. Sometimes me and my husband are in a good routine where like in the evening we'll tidy up or in the morning we'll tidy up, but then there'll just be days where like if the baby doesn't sleep well and it's hectic getting to preschool, then it just gets crazy. So just trying to get everything ready for Shabbat. That is my big goal each week, is to have the house clean for Shabbat. That just makes me feel so good going into the weekend, and especially on a weekend like this where so much going on, it just really helps my stress level to have the kitchen clean. And that's always where I start with when I'm cleaning, because it's the hardest, so I get it out of the way first, and then it feels like the center of the house is clean, so whatever other messes are out there aren't as big a deal. There we go, 10 minutes later and the kitchen is pretty much tidy. I still have to finish up a few dishes, but I thought that might be a little hard with this little one. Of course he's fallen asleep because this is the happiest place, right? All cuddled up. So that's fine. I kind of don't, this is the hardest thing though when he falls asleep in here, because I know if I transfer him, he will not be happy. But him being here limits how much I can do. So it goes. This is the season of life. So now while I have a few minutes, I'm gonna just finalize some of the packing that we're doing and like make a list of everything we need to bring with, chargers, all that kind of thing. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I'll come back and braid challah dough with you.
Go in there.
Corey, what'd you find? What are you playing with?
Money.
What is this?
A tzedakah box.
That's right, it's a tzedakah box. So what goes in the tzedakah box, Corey?
Tzedakah.
What is tzedakahs?
They are kind of coin.
A kind of a coin. Oh, so the dollar bills can't go in the tzedakah box? What are you doing with all that money?
Where is the...
Corey just came home from preschool, or should I say Spidey just got home. Can I see your Spidey pose? Okay, baby's crying. I got some of that money back, but I did have to give up $2. Okay, gotta go. So it's the next step with the challah. It's risen for I think about an hour or 2 hours, and I try not to punch it down too much as I'm rolling the braids, but and again, I'm just a little bit gentle with the dough, but I just make 3 little wormies and then braid them into the challah, and then I'm gonna put it on the baking sheet. These are actually our new caraway pans. Oh, we got pans and baking sheets. I really like it. It's like safe nonstick. Anyways, I'm trying it with the challah and it came out good. So I'm gonna let it rise as a braided challah before I bake it. Okay, we are all home now. Spidey's still here, and my older son Max is here now, Zachary. So it's almost Shabbat. I wanted to show you guys my challah has been rising. Look how big it is. It's really expanded. I just realized also I left an egg out to egg wash it, but now I can't find it, and I think I put it in the recipe. Like, that's the only thing that could have happened. Yeah. You guys probably saw it. I probably saw it when I was watching the footage back. So I think this challah has an extra egg in it, but so it goes.
Silly Donald.
Okay, we can watch Silly Donald. Okay, I just put the challah in. So now it's gonna bake for 20 minutes. Oh my goodness, today is not my day. I accidentally, oh, baby's crying. I accidentally baked the challah at 400 instead of 350. So it's a little bit browned. I think it's actually fine. What a day. So here's how the challah came out of the oven. I'm just putting it on our island with our Shabbat candlesticks and Kiddush cup, and now I'm just making a dinner. I did some quinoa. We had like a little bit left in the bag I wanted to use up. I put in some soup powder to flavor it, and then just literally cooked up anything I could find. So we are all ready for Shabbat here. As you saw, we're keeping it super simple. We're having a little coleslaw salad. I just made some quinoa in the pot. I'm actually just trying to use up like all the leftovers, everything we have in the house. And then in the oven, but I just cooked like everything we had in the freezer. Like fish sticks, chicken nuggets, like just get it all in. Just like use everything up before we go away. And then I love to do that. And then when I come home, just do a big grocery order. And then you like know what you have. Anyways, and then Shabbat is here on the island, ready to go. The challah that I baked, hopefully it won't be burnt inside. I think it's fine. Just cooked at a slightly higher temperature. And we've got the candles and the wine, and then we're just gonna eat here. And next Shabbat I'll be in LA. I don't think I will vlog that, but I do have a bunch of videos that I filmed this week, so you won't be missing anything. You're actually probably watching this after those, and this is making no sense to you. But anyways, thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a beautiful Shabbat Shalom, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
Oh, cookie pants.
What do you want? What sport is this?
I'm skating.
Just popping on really quickly to say the challah is so delicious. It came out just fine. Cooking temperature was fine. Look at this. I'll link the recipe for you guys. All right, Shabbat Shalom!